grab a seat. Enjoy the show. This is history.
Oh, good one, buddy. No indicator. You had an opportunity to go, mate. You didn't have to fucking wait for him. You could have gone easily then, mate. You're a P-plater. It's about time you fucking learned how to drive, isn't it? You're sitting there at the roundabout waiting for a fucking car that we had ample time to turn. Maybe you need to go back and learn how to use roundabouts, buddy.
I'll let you know. And so, if I finish early, I'll around the
Put your phone down! Fucking dickhead. 973 RRM. You would have heard him talking on the fucking phone because he's holding it right up to his face. Get off the phone! Wakey, wakey.
Oh no, that's a bad sign, Peter. The siren is not a good sign. That means somebody fucked up badly.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Fuck me! Fucking learner driver came right out and nearly fucking hit me. What are you doing, mate? Oh, for fuck's sake, come on. No idea what you're fucking doing, do ya? No idea. Fucking yeah, why didn't you just do that in the first place, mate? Huh? Would have made more fucking sense, wouldn't it?
According to my compass, we're completely lost.
What are you stopping for? You're already in the fucking roundabout. Oh my god. This guy fucking in front of me, he already entered the roundabout. I don't know if that was caught on camera. He already entered the roundabout, so I came up to give way to him, and then he puts his fucking left indicator on there. That guy's a fucking joke. He doesn't know how to drive.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Headlights, dickhead. Oh my god. How many times do people drive with no fucking headlights on? Oh, good one, buddy. Fucking hell, what are you doing? You don't have a clue either, do you? You're not a fucking temporary Australian, are you?
With a rope attached to the grille of another car, an enraged driver takes off. The DIY tow job was over this, a sedan blocking the way of a four-wheel drive at the Jacobs Well boat ramp, leaving a driver to wedge out his vehicle and boat trailer.
Well, it's so inconsiderate.
Frustrated, he pulls the car along while others watch on.
I'd leave it right there.
The tyres screeching as he drags it all the way out of the car park and onto the road.
I think it's funny, good on him towing it out, but at the same time, you know, there's probably an argument where he shouldn't have towed it either.
Boaties in the area claim problems like this happen frequently due to a lack of parks, forcing cars and trailers onto surrounding streets.
There's fights here all the time. It's just every man for themselves when it comes to getting your boat in. They're cutting people off. It's just crazy.
Yeah, it's a bit of a battle, but everyone does what they can do.
Police have not received any reports over the incident, but council says it's installed new signage alerting drivers that $179 fines apply to single vehicles that park in trailer bays.
I hope the council do more in terms of more parkings and for, you know, like cars with trailers as well as cars without trailers and all, so everyone can just enjoy the place.
So incidents like this don't get out of hand. On the Gold Coast, Caitlin Steadman, 7 News.